Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to fix whenever you opening the Google Chrome browser on your Windows PC. So this type of blank page you have getting, as you can see. So now in this video we will going to disable this page. So for this guys, first you need to open the Chrome browser on your Windows PC. After opening, on the top right side you can see three dots, just click on it. So from here you need to open the Chrome browser settings. In the settings guys, in the left panel you can get the option on startup. Just open this and here you can get this type of interface. On startup you will see about blank. So first of all you need to remove this tab from your Google Chrome browser. So to remove this guys, just click on three dots and click on remove. That's it. And now here guys, you need to select open the new tab page. That's it. After this guys, close the Google Chrome browser. Now I am going to open my Google Chrome browser once again. As you can see guys, the about blank page was removed from my browser, as you can see. So this is the very easy and very simple method to remove the blank page from the on the startup of your Google Chrome browser. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.